Hello guys, welcome again to our new motor ride episode.
Hello!
To those new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel to be updated on my new uploaded videos. Today we are going to travel to Taguban City. My wife needs to visit a government office in Taguban City. So along the way, there are situations that can make your heart get nervous.
Oh no!
Like this tricycle in my front. I don't know what Kuya driver wanted to do. Then suddenly, he just turned to his left.
Uh-oh.
Another one is this huge truck.
Uh-oh.
You need to some extra skills and courage to overtake this vehicle.
Okay.
So what did I do? Okay, let's go.
Kabam! Wow!
We also have these traffic enforcers along the road. I don't know if he will call me or do I have a violation. He is just looking at my motorcycle.
Cha-ching!
And finally, while going back home, this will really get us a nervous heart.
Uh-oh.
Anyone that can see this will really amaze and make your ride a little slower because you will take care and not ride at high speed. So I'm sorry to this car and to the driver. I hope that they are okay along with the passengers. So guys, don't forget to take care always while riding a vehicle, not only on a motorcycle but also on cars, truck, bus, and all kinds of vehicles. Always take care and ride safe always. Bye-bye.